What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Venom from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the inside edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now let's come back down towards the bottom, bend this out and then up along the side. Bend this down and then in towards the bottom of the eyes. Let's go back down to this point. Just going to bend the top of the eye. We're going to go up and then out. Let's curve this back down towards the bottom. Going out, then up. And just working our way across the top of the eye. I just want to add a swirl. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's work our way around the outside of the eye. We're going to start from this point. We're going to go up, round up the eye, and then come down towards the side. Then we'll curve this down and then in towards that bottom point. Now underneath the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the mouth. We're going to start by going up and then down across the middle. Let's go back to the left side. Just going to round this out and curve this up along the side. Let's line the teeth across the top. Starting in the center, we're going to leave a gap, come down and then up toward the left and right side. Now start to bend the teeth, going out and down. Bend this back up towards the edge of the gums. Now I want to continue to add these teeth going along the side. So add a few more on either side. And then the last one, just tuck that up underneath. Let's connect the top of each point with a curve across the edge of the gum line. Now the tongue is going to come out and over toward the left side. So let's start from the outside of this tooth, curve the tongue coming down, go up, and then back down. Let's round out the tip of the tongue. Now it's going to work our way back in, making the tongue thicker as it comes across, and then tuck that up underneath. Now from the top corner of the mouth, we're going to step in. Just going to bend the bottom of the jaw, coming in and then down. Do the same thing on the right, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Round out the mouth, and just tuck that up underneath the tongue. Now let's add some teeth across the bottom. Starting from the left, we're going to go up towards the tongue. Adding these points. Let's add a few more, coming up and then in. Let's add a couple over on the left side. Now we're going to go in and fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth and the tongue. Now along the outside edge of the eyes, we're going to curve the head. We're going to go up in the middle, round up the head, and then come down towards the outside of the right eye. Come down towards the bottom. So I'm going to curve this around and then in towards the jaw. Let's blend the head in towards the shoulders. So we're just going to trace out the bottom of the mouth. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. Bend this out and then up along the side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the chest. We're going to start on the left, curve the chest coming down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. Come down, and bend that in. Let's move out, draw the hips, coming down and in towards the bottom. Now we're going to move to the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, coming down and out towards the outside of the knee. And bend the leg, coming down and then out towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. From the heel, coming down and up. Now we're going to add a claw. I'm going to go up, bend that down towards the tip, and this up and in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's layer 2 more claws on either side. So we're going to start from the top, we're going to go up and then down, pull that back in, and then do that one more time. From the top of the last claw, let's curl the foot. We're going to go up and bend that down, aiming towards the heels. Now let's go back up to the hips. We're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the knee. Bend this down on top of the feet. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on those large arms. Let's start from the side of the chest, bend the arm coming down and out across the bicep. And I'll separate the bicep from the forearm. So we're going to step back, going down and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and then up around that bracket, step down, and the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go out, bend this all the way up and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, second, and then the third, going all the way up and then in. Now I want to layer the shoulder on top of the arm. So we're going to step down and go up, round up the shoulder and pull that in towards the side of the head, and we'll line that up on the right, going out and then overlap the arm. Let's add some of that fluid going across the shoulders. Let's start on top of the left shoulder, then it's around, in, and then up. Let's move out, draw the outside. Going up, then in towards the head. Let's add one on top of the right shoulder. Start from the head, coming around, and then draw on the outside. Now we're going to go in and add that marking across the body. Let's start in the center of the sternum. Start with a point. Angle this down and out toward the left and right side. From the outside, curve this down and in towards the middle. Angle this up and out. And then we'll round out the bottom. Now let's trace these 2 lines along the top, going up and then down. From the bottom, go up underneath the chest, and goes down towards the side. Now on top of the chest, we're going to go up, come down, and do the same thing on the right, going up and then in. Let's draw the second set of legs. We're going to go up and out, come down and out towards the side of the chest. Now I'm just going to work our way up along the side. Go up, in behind. Let's add another leg and draw 2 angled lines along the side of the chest. Now we're going to add 1 arm going across the shoulders. Let's start from the jaw, going up and then out. Go out and then up towards the top of the shoulder. Let's start on top of the chest over on the left. Curve this in behind the tongue. Bend this out and then up. Now I want to trace this back in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Venom from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.